Hi guys, so today the video is gonna be about a lot of me was lost in a year, and let's begin. So lot, and I searched her up a couple weeks or months ago, or just now, I guess, just to get a head start on this video. So honestly, there's two things I'm gonna have to say. Is that there's a backup ACC for this crazy man, and I want to check out the backup too, because the backup is probably, I don't know, but it's probably the real guys. Okay, whatever now. Never mind. Back to the main reason I'm even uploading this video. A lot of me was lost in you is the #1 faker I've seen on one of my days. Literally, this is a fake faker. I like to sponsor Olivia the Panda for her video because I believed it so well to make this video sponsoring her. #1 thing I like to say is you guys are gifting her your stuff to this complete faker that's probably just faking everything. Alright, go watch Olivia Panda's video. It has more information and it was made at the time she was a new user. It also has the YouTube text and stuff. Look at how, oh my god, you guys. This is so disappointing that you guys are doing that. I hope you guys know that she is a fake now. Please don't gift her anymore because you're just gifting someone you don't know, and they'll probably never give your stuff back. Anyways, I've been looking through the looks lately, and OMG, a lot of you guys are really just believing it. A couple of you guys saying fake, which is really honorable. She hasn't made no looks for people on anything. Okay, you guys, please just say, this is a reminder, do not gift this person. This person is a complete faker. Faker. Look at her guest book. Fake. Like it says, I don't really believe that's Melanie Martinez. I really believe that's Melanie Martinez. And I guess that some people all believe in her in the bottom. Like, I did a deeper look on that stuff. Now, you guys, the question of the day, because this is such a short video, and that's not like me. These are art books. I don't mean to do this. I didn't mean to click on the box. The question of the day is Ariana Grande. This is Melanie Martinez, the thing I just did today. Which one you think will win? And the winners, the last one to comment on that video will get a gift. I had to think about the gift, what's going to be. And guys, remember, mail time is this Friday. Please send in gifts. I will also be giving a rare or a dress for it. Love you guys.